Mel Spiro was an influential cultural and psychological anthropologist. He conducted fieldwork in diverse locales, including an Israeli kibbutz and on Ifiluk Atoll in the South Pacific, and his findings and analyses would make him a pioneer in the field of the psychoanalytic study of culture, that is, observing how people's unconscious motivations might contribute to their culturally shaped social behaviors. Spiro actually wrote 3 books about Burmese culture, including Kinship and Marriage in Burma, a cultural and psychological exploration in 1977, and Buddhism and Society, a great tradition and its Burmese vicissitudes in 1982. His earliest book on Burma, Burmese Supernaturalism, addresses Burmese beliefs in unseen beings such as spirits known as nats, witches, ghosts, and demons, and the ways they were thought to interact with humans and impact their lives. In his book, Spiro interviews and observes ordinary people and nat kadaws, mediums who help them communicate with the supernatural. Spiro considered Burmese beliefs in the supernatural as a psychological coping mechanism, providing an explanation for suffering and also a way to process, endure, and resolve it. He also investigated the relationship between Burmese supernaturalism and the dominant Theravada Buddhism. While at times these two belief systems could appear syncretic, supernaturalism could function as a way of expressing protest and dissent. Spiro used his fieldwork in Burma to develop his theory of culturally constituted defense mechanisms. In psychoanalysis, defense mechanisms are ways individuals unconsciously try to protect themselves from the anxiety and stress of unpleasant realities and internal conflict. Think denial, repression, projection. Spiro argued that certain practices and beliefs could function in this way on a societal level. He argued that there could be culturally sanctioned behaviors that protect the individual and his society from the disruptive consequences of both his shameful and/or forbidden needs and of his private defensive behaviors. In Burma, monks are ubiquitous, but they are mostly withdrawn physically and socially from communal life. They live an almost totally spiritual existence outside village gates as they dedicate their life to prayer and ritual duty. They are forbidden from working, and all their material needs are provided by the layman's donations. In Spiro's view, Burmese monkhood provided a culturally constituted defense for these Burmese men who were socially anxious or avoidant